In the simple 3-page document, you'll see the first page I've got text, but moving into the second page, I've got a table as well as a chart moving into text. So what I want to do is put this table and chart in its own page. However, I want the page to be in a landscape view while the rest of the document to be in portrait. So to do this, I will make sure I go to the Home tab, Paragraph Group. I'm going to click on Show Hide so that I can see where my paragraphs actually begin and end. This is also going to show me my section breaks. So I'm going to click at the end of my text, go to Layout, Breaks, Next Page. As you can see, it says Section Break, Next Page. I'm going to go to the end, Breaks, Next Page, Section Break. So it's basically put now the table and the chart in its own page. I will click in the second page, go to Orientation, Landscape. And there we go. How awesome is this? So now if you look, the first page is portrait, second is landscape, third is portrait. Just to make this look a bit neater, I'm just going to click into the table, layout ribbon, AutoFit window, and let's just center the chart a bit. And there we have it. So I'm going to take show hide characters out, and we have our second page that is actually now in landscape view. Awesome.